Hi boys and girls, I hope all of you are fine. I'm Miss Prema and I'm very glad to meet all of you here for a quick revision for the upcoming SPM 1119 English papers. These videos are made exclusively for 2020 SPM candidates and I really hope that these videos could help most of you. Hi viewers, thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel to view more interesting videos that could benefit you. And also do like and share. Thank you. In this video, we will look into paper 2, section C, Reading Comprehension, question 26 to 30. Here are some information that you need to understand while answering the reading comprehension section. So the reading text in this section can either be narrative or descriptive. And the text will come with dialogues. So when it comes with dialogues, you can see the text uses the pronoun I, they or we. Therefore, when writing answers, especially in comprehension question, pay attention in changing the pronoun or else the answer will be considered wrong. Let's look at this example. Okay, this question is actually taken from 2008 SPM paper. So the question here is from paragraph 1, where does the writer hunt? So they use the question as the writer, the subject as the writer. But if you see paragraph 1, they don't use writer, they use I have spent 20 years hunting wild animals in the Sarawak jungles. So the rest are just explanations. So let's pay attention on the first line, which is actually the answer. So when you lift the whole sentence as an answer, it is still considered wrong because you did not change the pronoun I. So what should you do? Change it to the writer. Just follow the question. If you know the writer in the text is actually a female, you can just put she. But if you're unsure, just remain using the writer. So this is one thing that you have to pay attention if your text has I and they have dialogues. Okay, pay attention on that. I have a advice for all the students. If you find it difficult to read quickly and understand the whole text, my advice is to not attempt to read the entire text. Okay, that might tire you. Okay, instead, read the questions first and identify the keyword in the text because the question will be asked by paragraph. So you only read the concerned paragraph and locate the answer. I also want you to look at some question patterns. In 2017, this happens. Okay, when they ask for meaning in the question, they control the number of words, like which one word. So you have to give that one word. If you happen to be copying the whole sentence, then it is considered wrong. Or you copy the phrase which has the word, also wrong. So when the question says one word, give one word answer. If the question says two words that shows the meaning, give two words. Alright? And then there's another. They only ask question on line 25. And this is like on more of interpreting the meaning, the idea. So try to read a few times. Although they ask line 25, you have to pay attention on the concerned paragraph so that you get the meaning. Okay? So try to look into this kind of question. If you come across this in this 2020 SPM reading comprehension section, pay extra attention. Past few years, question number 30 has a different way of testing. What I meant is not the change of format, but then the way they ask question. Okay, a few years back, they used to ask any two suggestion, two ways, or two advice. But now it's similar to the poem question, the 2 marks question. They ask for feeling, action, reaction, quality, and a reason. So when the given reason is not clear, the first part of the question also not awarded with marks. So here you either get 2 marks or 0 marks. There is no 1 marks. So when you want to give answer, make sure it's clear and justify the first part of the question. Here are some examples of question 30. So can you see? Suggest 2 ways to keep one off the internet. This is actually the older way of they test in reading comprehension. But lately, past few years, they started to ask this way. Suggest a quality of a good doctor. So they ask for a quality and then they want a reason to justify the first part. If your reasoning is not clear, it's vague, then the quality also may not get the answer. Okay, so it's either 2 marks or 0 marks. Alright, so avoid vague answers. Vague means unclear. Boys and girls, we have come to the end of reading comprehension section. Quick revision for 1119 English SPM paper. I hope my explanation is very helpful to answer this section. I wish you all good luck and do well in your reading comprehension section.